Bless you all for tuning in. In today's video, I would like to break down the winning trade I took for this week. You get? So let's get into the video.
So this is the trade now. As you can see, it was a very clean buy. You understand? So here's the breakdown. As you can see, we were first pushing bearish from this point in time. So we caused what I call a break of structure. So for me, we caused a break of structure here, which is what I call my M15 break of structure break. So that's it. We caused a break of structure here, so meaning we are looking for opportunity to go long. As you can see, clean imbalances was left as this region, so I marked my demand zone from the last bearish candle before the push higher that left imbalance. So that is why I draw the box like this. So now let's drop to the 1 minute to show you this simple clean entry model that I always use. You get? Keep it simple and clean. I promise you, you will make money. The key is simplicity. So now on the M1, as you can see, price was creating higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. So from here, we caused what I call a trend change down. So as we turn bearish from this point, my goal is to wait for this liquidity at this point to be swept. You get this point. So as you can see, this green line was exactly swept. You can see this thing just pinged into it, then swept it. So for me, I was looking for opportunity to go long. When I was in uni at that time, I could have entered from here, but the thing was that I saw it around here, so I quickly took my entry from here. But normally my initial entry would be here, stop loss above as you have seen, then TP for a 1-to-1, or depending on price action. At this time, you can see price hit my TP very cleanly. So guys, this is a very short trade recap, and for most of you, this trade can be nothing. You can think that maybe 1.5 RR, 1.1 RR is nothing, but take it from me, small consistent scalp with good risk management and lot size will make you money. Follow risk management. If your RR is 1 to 5 and your win rate is shit, then you will make nothing. But if your win rate is 1 to 1, 1 to 5, 1 to 2, but the win rate is decent, like very good, then you bank from the market. You bank. Thank you all for tuning in once again. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that subscribe button and follow for more content. I'm here to document my journey and share real raw value while keeping my video and trading journey simple, raw and honest.